Imagine this. It's 8 in the morning in 2025. You wake up, check your phone, and your schedule is already organized, your most important emails filtered, your workout routine customized, and even your breakfast planned. And the best part? You didn't do any of it. Artificial intelligence did it for you. What felt like science fiction just a few years ago is now completely real. And the most impressive thing is that you don't need to spend hundreds of dollars on premium subscriptions, because there are free AI tools that are revolutionizing the way we work, study, travel, and even relax. Today, I'm going to show you 10 free AI tools available in 2025 that can make your life up to 10 times easier and more productive. Stay until the very end, because the last AI on this list is so powerful that it could replace several paid apps you're probably using right now. The first one is Notion AI Free. If you're the kind of person who collects notes, ideas, to-do lists, and projects without any order, this tool will change your life. Notion AI can summarize long documents in seconds, turn messy thoughts into detailed action plans, and organize your day with automatic reminders. Imagine writing, "I want to learn English in 3 months," and within seconds, Notion delivers a full study calendar with daily tasks, suggested resources, and notifications. It's like having a personal assistant who never gets tired and works for you 24/7. The second tool is Google Gemini Free, Google's direct answer to ChatGPT. Even in its free version, Gemini already does incredible things. It can reply to emails, generate automatic meeting summaries in Google Meet, create social media captions, and more. And the best part? It's fully integrated with Gmail and Google Drive. No more switching apps or wasting time copying and pasting. Everything works seamlessly in one ecosystem. The third free AI that will make your life easier in 2025 is called Tability AI. Think about all those goals you set every year but never complete. Learning a new language, exercising, saving money. Tability takes your big goals and breaks them down into measurable steps, reminding you daily of what you need to do to stay on track. It's like having a virtual coach who won't let you procrastinate. And in its free plan, it's already more than enough for students, freelancers, and entrepreneurs. Now let's move into the learning space. The fourth tool is Perplexity AI. This is basically the evolution of Google. Instead of giving you hundreds of links to click on, Perplexity delivers a direct, clear, and precise answer, and it even cites its sources. You can ask something basic like, "What is solar energy?" and it'll explain in simple terms. Or you can ask something advanced, like latest papers on quantum artificial intelligence, and it will show you academic sources updated to the current year. It's like having a search engine with a human brain that tailors the response to your knowledge level. The fifth AI is Explainpaper. If you've ever tried reading an academic paper and felt like it was written in another language, this tool is your lifesaver. You simply upload the document, and Explainpaper breaks it down into simple, easy-to-understand explanations, almost as if a patient professor were sitting beside you, translating the jargon into everyday language. It's perfect for students, researchers, or anyone curious about complex topics. The sixth free AI is Duolingo Max Free Trial 2025. Yes, the famous green owl just got smarter. Duolingo now integrates AI features that were once premium, and in 2025, some of them are available for free. That means you can now have real conversations with an AI chatbot that simulates native accents, and receive instant feedback on your pronunciation, and get a customized learning plan based on your goals, whether that's traveling, working abroad, or passing a certification exam. Learning a language has never felt this natural or this accessible. Now let's move to creativity and content. This is where it gets really exciting. The seventh AI on the list is Canva AI Free. If you've ever struggled to design something, this tool is pure magic. You just describe what you want, A modern concert flyer, an elegant Instagram post, a professional presentation, and Canva AI generates it in seconds. You can also remove backgrounds, adjust colors, and change styles instantly. In 2025, literally anyone can become a graphic designer in minutes with zero cost. The eighth one is Runway Gen-2 free. This tool is nothing short of futuristic. You can generate videos from text prompts. Yes, you heard that right. You type something like, "Show me a cinematic sunset at the beach," and Runway produces a video clip for you. You can also upload a boring video and ask Runway to transform it into a completely different style: animation, futuristic, retro. If you're a content creator, this is one of those AIs you must try because it saves hours of editing and delivers professional results instantly. But AI isn't only about work, study, and creativity. Some tools are designed for our personal lives and emotional well-being. That's where Replika AI number 9 on the list comes in. Replika is a free AI companion that you can talk to anytime. It listens without judgment, gives emotional support, and even helps you practice social conversations. Many people around the world already use it to cope with loneliness, and even in its free version, it can feel like having a friend who's always available. And finally, number 10, Pi.ai, created by Inflection. Pi isn't just another chatbot, it's more like a personal mentor. It doesn't just give you quick answers, it engages in deep conversations, helping you reflect on your choices, offering fresh perspectives, and guiding you through important decisions. Talking to Pi feels less like using a tool and more like speaking with a wise friend who always has the right thing to say. And yes, it's completely free. Now let's pause for a moment and reflect. Do you realize the historic moment we're living in? In less than 5 years, we've gone from seeing artificial intelligence as something exclusive to big corporations to having free access to assistants, tutors, designers, editors, and even emotional companions. Today, anyone with a smartphone can multiply their productivity, creativity, and well-being without spending a dime. The big question is, are you going to take advantage of this, or will you let it pass while others move ahead? Tell me in the comments, which of these AIs surprised you the most and which one you're going to try first. And if you want me to make a video about how to use AI to organize your day in 5 minutes, hit that like button and subscribe because I already have that topic lined up for you. The future has already arrived, and the best part? It's free.